Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Right now, I am on the MQL5 Marketplace page for the Gold Atlas EA by Jimmy Peter Erickson. It is listed at $399 US with an updated version 1.3, updated at 14th February 2026, and I can also see there are about 10 activations available. From the way it is presented, this is clearly positioned as a prop firm focused trading system, especially designed around consistency rather than fast account growth. I can also see it highlights prop firm ready, features, which immediately suggest it is built with risk control in mind. Here we can see not designed for short-term account flipping or fast profits, built-in daily loss protection and randomizer function for prop firm trading, no martingale, no greed, designed for traders focused on long-term consistency. And we can also see links to live results attached. All right, so now moving into the description, Gold Atlas is built specifically for gold trading, which is XAUUSD. The developer explains that it uses a multi-entry breakout approach, right? Meaning instead of relying on a single entry signal, it can scale into different breakout levels depending on market movement. What stands out here is that the system is described as having 5 different breakout levels. Each with its own stop loss and trailing logic. So rather than one fixed trade idea, it is more like multiple layers working together depending on how the market develops. Another important point is the focus on diversification inside the strategy itself. So each breakout level behaves slightly differently, which is meant to reduce dependency on a single market condition. Scrolling further, I can see features like built-in daily drawdown protection, and this is specifically designed for prop firm environments where intraday loss limits are very strict. So the EA is trying to help avoid breaching those limits. There is also a randomizer function mentioned, which slightly varies entries and exits. So the idea behind this is to avoid identical trade behavior across users and improve variation in execution. So risk control is also flexible here with options for manual risk percentage or fixed lot sizing, depending on how the user wants to operate the system. Now, moving into the usage instructions, it is designed specifically for gold, and the developer suggests using an M30 time frame for better visual structure, although it's not limited strictly to one time frame. At this point, I'll switch over to look at any testing or historical performance context available. Here we can see reliability. 21 weeks. Okay, this was for. Let's just see if we can find the testing results here. This shows the balance equity curve, looking impressive. 2006 to 2026, high risk, total profit 1,606%, max drawdown 17.9%, average monthly profit 6.7%. All right. Okay, so this was medium risk. Total profit was 1,073%. Max drawdown was 14.31%. Average monthly profit was 4.47%. Same 2006 to 2026. Then as for the low risk, 2006 to 2026, total profit was 548%, max drawdown was 8.03%, and average monthly profit was 2.3%. Right, so we can also see the backtest results for the high risk, the medium risk, and the low risk. All right, so now let's just head over to our strategy tester. Let's see how this EA performed over the past 5 months. So we're testing gold atlas on XAUUSD on the M30 time frame, and for the delays we're using the last ping to the server. We're using the every tick modeling. So from an initial deposit of $100,000, we can see that the total net profit was $17,097.97. The total trades taken were 176. Out of 176, 68 we are profitable. So that gives us a 38.64% win rate. All right, it's not exactly very impressive though. As for the balance drawdown maximal, we can see that it was about 6.81%, and the relative balance drawdown was 7.01%. As for the equity drawdown maximal was 9.07%, and the relative equity drawdown was 9.31%. Largest profit trade was 3,148.36, largest loss 1,055.1, average profit 921.64, average loss 421.98. So this shows me that the risk to reward ratio is pretty good. At least it's a little above 1:2. So I'm not really surprised to see a total net profit of about 17% over about 5 months plus. Okay, so based on the information provided on the marketplace page, we can see that the long-term testing showed 2006 to 2026, right, with a large number of trades, and we have also seen how it performed just within about 5 months plus. But I would personally recommend still that if you are interested in this expert advice, so that you test it, yourself over an extended period of time, maybe a year, 2 years, or even more, so that you can also get, a more comprehensive result. Perhaps you can use a few years, recent years, of course, the most recent years for the back testing. All right, now when thinking about how this system operates, it seems to rely on breakout expansion logic across multiple levels. So instead of trying to win every trade, it's structured more around capturing larger market moves when they happen. While smaller trades may not always succeed, it also includes protections like daily loss limits and optional Friday close functions, which suggests it's designed to avoid holding unnecessary risk during high volatility or low liquidity periods. In terms of results, since we are, in terms of results, I'll just treat this as a conceptual evaluation rather than performance-based analysis. Real world results will always depend heavily on execution conditions, broker spread, risk settings, and how the EA is configured. So overall, the Gold Atlas looks like a structured prop firm oriented breakout system focused on long-term consistency rather than aggressive short-term gains. I'll definitely recommend running forward tests or demo testing first to see how it behaves in live conditions before considering any real capital deployment. If you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading insights. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.